Video number 15. How to make tons of money with LinkedIn as an affiliate. Many business managers and individuals are looking for the easiest ways to make tons of money online. The common way to do so is through affiliate marketing. However, for you to make adequate profits as an affiliate, you have to start by finding the right platform. LinkedIn is growing much more popular daily and is considered to be the top social network for professionals. As such, the platform can be a useful tool to generate income in many different ways. Before making tons of money with LinkedIn as an affiliate, you ought to know how to create an outstanding profile, create an attractive company page, and learn how to generate traffic back to your website. Lead generation. You can utilize social selling with LinkedIn by making use of the power of lead generation. Lead generation makes it easier for marketers to find and connect with their potential sales leads. LinkedIn can make sales lead generation campaigns successful because the platform has over 380 million professional members. Thus, the platform enables sales professionals to find the right prospects easily and quickly. Imagine a platform that allows you to quickly search and filter the influencers and decision makers in your marketing niche. That is what you get with LinkedIn's advanced search feature. Once you identify possible influencers and decision makers, you can save them as your leads. The best thing about this feature is that you search for the right prospects and create high-quality lead lists. LinkedIn also provides you with lead recommendations for the best decision makers and influencers that would be suitable for your affiliate business. Furthermore, the Team Link feature will let you see who within your company is connected to some of your prospects. You can use such an opportunity to enjoy warm introductions that will certainly lead to sales if handled appropriately. Once you have a reliable list of prospects and customers from LinkedIn, you can then advertise your affiliate products to them. You can trust that a greater percentage of people on your list may purchase your products, especially if you searched correctly. Web development. Affiliate marketers can use LinkedIn to brand themselves and find prospects who may be interested in web development services. As an affiliate, you can work in close contact with design companies and provide them with suitable customers who may buy their web design packages. More than just creating websites for them, you can even have them buy important services like domain hosting, autoresponders, etc., using your affiliate link. With LinkedIn, you can join groups and participate in discussions specifically on web design. You can find a list of existing groups or even create a new one that suits your specific interest in web design. Make sure you narrow your searches when looking for groups to join to find a smaller but perfect audience that certainly needs your services. LinkedIn allows professional members to add their business websites to their profiles. You can use this to your advantage when looking for prospective customers for your packages. For instance, you could search for members who do not have websites on their profiles and approach them with suitable packages that would be useful for their businesses. Also, you can search for members with websites that may require a few improvements and a professional touch. You can approach these prospects with your web design packages and products, and they will certainly buy. LinkedIn also allows members to recommend company products. Once you have a few regular customers for your products, you can encourage them to recommend them to other members. More than that, you can advertise related affiliate products to them once you have them in your buyers list. Whenever a member recommends a product, they share the recommendation with all of the other members in their connections. As such, you are likely to gain more prospects from your current customers and get a bigger buyers list. LinkedIn ads. You can invest some money with LinkedIn advertising if you want to increase your affiliate marketing income. You can create an ad campaign and market free giveaways to your prospects. You can get the attention of different LinkedIn users by using the targeting option. To increase your chances of converting, you can direct your visitors to a custom squeeze page that matches the text in your LinkedIn ad. You can also create ads that target customers demographically to market your affiliate products. You can entice them to sign up for free content with your affiliate business. Once they sign up, you can convert them into buyers. Alternatively, you can create a special offer for your new signups that will entice them to buy. Signups from LinkedIn ads can also help you build mailing lists of highly targeted people. You can then advertise to these people directly, and you'll have high chances of making incredible sales. Use review posts. You can promote review posts about your products on LinkedIn to increase your chances of making tons of money. You can do this by sharing your affiliate marketing review posts as answers to relevant questions within the groups you join on LinkedIn. Check out the questions other members ask and assess whether you have any review posts that provide solutions to their questions. You can add a few links to your products in the review posts to encourage your prospects to visit your product offer page. Other LinkedIn groups do not allow affiliate links. In such a case, you can share your review post without links and reply to the group member privately, offering a more detailed review with the links. You can also create your LinkedIn group and email all the members new review posts on your website or blog concerning the affiliate products you offer. You can also email any special offers you have that might interest them. Your personal LinkedIn group can also be useful in sharing discount codes, time offers, and new product launches that members might want to buy. Finally, you can use the publications section available on your LinkedIn profile to link to the latest affiliate product review posts. LinkedIn provides numerous ways to make tons of money. All you have to do is find what works best in your affiliate marketing venture.